Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to Call of Duty Warzone dev error 6068. So we are going to see different troubleshooting methods and you have to follow all the troubleshooting methods one by one. So let's go ahead on my computer screen and check out how we can troubleshoot this issue. So currently I am on my computer screen and first step would be to right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare and then click on properties. In the properties, click on compatibility, and in the compatibility you can click on run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. Once you do this, check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the Windows and then click on device manager. In the device manager, click on display adapters. Currently this is a VMware machine and I could see that SVGA3D hardware, it's a virtual hardware installed, but you would find NVIDIA or AMD graphics card over here. You have to right click on this graphics card and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and then it would search for best suitable driver on the computer. If found, it will give us this message that best driver are already installed. So click on close. Check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the hardware and then click on uninstall this device. You have to click on delete the software for this device, and by deleting the software you have to reinstall the NVIDIA GeForce Experience on your computer. You have to download the newest version from the website and then you have to install the GeForce Experience driver on your computer. So click on uninstall, and after uninstalling it will install the normal drivers on your computer, and then you have to download the drivers and install it on the machine. So once you update the drivers and issue doesn't resolve, you have to right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager. In the task manager, click on details, and in the details you have to right click on battle.net.exe, then select set priority, and in the priority click on high over here. So click on change priority and this will prioritize your battle.net.exe to use more memory and more CPU. In the GeForce Experience, select General tab and then click on in-game overlay, disable this. Also in the games, scroll down and then click on this automatically optimize newly added games, disable this as well, and check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on settings over here. Click on system and then click on display. In the display you have to scroll down and then click on graphics settings. In the graphics settings you have to click on this change default graphics settings and then make sure this is enable, and if it is disable you have to enable it and then close this settings and check if the issue resolves or not. After doing these changes, you can also change the priority of the application. You can just select on the options by selecting the game and then make sure you select these options. If you want to select high performance, then click on high performance. If you want it should be a power saving, then click on this, and if you want let Windows decide and it's high performance only, then you can select this option and then click on save. Once you do this, check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to open the battle.net application and then log in into battle.net. Once you open the battle.net, you have to click on options, and in the options you will find scan and repair. Click on scan and repair and it will scan the missing files or corrupt files, and once the corrupt files are found, it will try to update your game by itself. So you have to click on begin scan and it will then scan the game. I'm going to click on cancel. If you found issue in the scan and repair option, click on options over here and then click on modify install. Then in the game content, click on modify install again, and then you have to click on confirm over here. So complete this process and then check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then open the file explorer again, and in the file explorer navigate to the installation directory for COD. Then double click on the folder, double click on Call of Modern Warfare, and then select these files excluding other folders, and then shift delete these files. Click on yes to delete these files. Again open the battle.net, then try to open Modern Warfare game. If the issue resolves, then well and good. If it doesn't resolve, then open the file explorer again, navigate to the same folder, and this is the data folder. It contains the whole game. By deleting this folder, you have to download 75 GB of game again from the internet. So make sure if you want to delete this or not. So delete the folder and then reinstall the game again. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.